Hello students, today we are going to discuss the next point, that will be innate immunity, that is antimicrobial substances in blood and tissues. Now number one is the complement system. So what is mean by complement system? What is mean by complement first of all? So complement is nothing but the set of proteins. So how many proteins? There are more than 30 serum proteins. The 30 serum proteins are present in our blood serum, that is we call it the complement. Now how this particular system works against different kinds of microorganism. Now these serum proteins circulating in blood and in inactive stage. So first of all we have to understand that whenever there is absence of any microorganisms or dust particles, foreign particles inside our body, at that point the complement system is in the inactive stage. So whenever the pathogen is entered into our body, the system is activated and it regulates these 30 different serum proteins. It regulates and cascade, that is known as a complement cascade. Now this complement cascade is acts in such a way that it will lead to kill the pathogen. सो पैथोजन को किल करने के लिए ये 30 सीरम प्रोटीन्स वर्कआउट करते हैं. अगर आपको यहाँ भी कोई डाउट है सीरम के बारे में, तो सीरम क्या है मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सीरम इज दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट विच इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द coagulated or clotted blood, which is yellowish in color and which contains a majority of antibodies and different kinds of proteins. So that is a complement. Okay, so we lead to next, that is upon viral infection. जब किसी वायरल का इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है हमारे बॉडी को, उस टाइम पे हमारे शरीर में जो प्रोटीन्स सीक्रेट होते हैं उसको कहते हैं इंटरफेरॉन. सो इंटरफेरॉन, व्हाट इज इंटरफेरॉन? दिस इज अ नीट लेवल और सीटी लेवल क्वेश्चन जनरली आस्क्ड इन मेनी एग्जाम्स with respect to match column 1 and 2 or multiple choice questions. Interferon, what is meant by interferon? Interferon is a class of cytokine. So what do you mean by cytokine? We are going to learn about cytokine in the next lecture. So see, first of all, introductory part as an introductory part, the interferon is a class of cytokine that is soluble proteins released by viral infected cells. So who release interferon? Interferon is released by viral infected cells. So those cells which are infected by virus, generally they lead to production of interferon. So apart from interferon, third one system, that is WBCs. You know about WBCs, white blood cells, which stimulate other cells to protect themselves from viral infection. So white blood cells, they give a particular signal that we call the co-stimulatory signals to other cells, which indicate there is the presence of any kind of presence of any foreign antigen or foreign particles inside of blood, that leads to activation of other cells by WBCs. So apart from cytokines, cellular factors also works. So cytokines, by this way this particular system work out. But apart from the cytokines, there are cellular factors, different cellular factors that also works against the antigen. So which cellular factors? That is number second is a phagocytic cell. So phagocytic cell क्या होता है? So phagocytic cell को समझने के लिए आपको ये ध्यान में लेना पड़ेगा कि जैसे देखो बारिश के दिनों में बादल आते हैं तो वो कैसे होते हैं कि इरेगुलर साइज एंड शेप में होते हैं. तो उसी तरह के फैगोसाइटिक सेल्स इरेगुलर साइज एंड शेप के हमारे लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं. हमारे शरीर में लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम के बारे में आपने 11वीं कक्षा में ऑलरेडी इसके बारे में इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट सीखा होगा. लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम में फैगोसाइटिक सेल होते हैं, जिसकी डिस्कवरी मेचेनिकोफ ने 1882 में की थी. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, these cells ingest and destroy microorganisms. Now how this particular cells acts against foreign particles of microorganism? Generally they ingest and destroy microorganism. Intracellular digestion we called it as for the activation of mechanism of phagocytic cells, and by this way they digest inside their body and kill that foreign particles or destruct that particular antigen. A class of, now see about phagocytic cell, a class of lymphocyte known as the natural killer cells also involved in viral infection and tumors. So apart from phagocytic cell, they said here that the natural killer cells, they also activate or involved in the viral infection and in case of tumors, that is we call it cancer cases, this particular natural killer cells activated in our body. Now number third point, see here, fever. So fever के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे कि whenever any antigen or microorganism enter your body, it leads to activation of pyrogenic substances. Pyrogenic means fever inducing substances. So which fever inducing substances? So see, you have to understand the basics that in case of bacteria there is a presence of lipopolysaccharide in their cell membrane. Lipopolysaccharide जो होता है वो क्या करता है, तो पायरोजेनिक सब्सटेंस की तरह से एक्ट हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे बॉडी से फीवर जनरेट हो जाता है. फीवर क्यों जनरेट होता है? टू सप्रेस दैट माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, टू किल दैट माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इनसाइड ऑफ बॉडी फीवर जनरेट होता है. सो सी यहाँ पे वही लिखा है, आफ्टर इन्फेक्शन बॉडी टेम्परेचर स्टार्ट टू रेज। सो जब हमें किसी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म का इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है तब हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर रेज होने लगता है। सो इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर कॉजेस मोर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंटरफेरॉन। जैसे फीवर बढ़ता जाता है तैसे वैसे इंटरफेरॉन का भी जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो बढ़ जाता है ना। नंबर 4th पॉइंट, दैट इज एक्यूट फेज प्रोटीन्स, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में APPs लिखा है। सी हियर व्हाट इज मीन बाय एक्यूट फेज प्रोटीन्स, आफ्टर इन्फेक्शन देयर इज an increase in concentration of plasma proteins called APPs. So whenever there is an infection of microorganism inside our body, in our blood, there is an increase in concentration of one more protein. Similar to complement system, there is the presence of one more protein that is called the acute phase proteins. Now are called as APPs. These includes now APP means which proteins? So these include CRP, that is C-reactive proteins. C-reactive proteins है, मैनोज बाइंडिंग प्रोटीन्स है, अल्फा 1 एसिड ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, सीरम अमाइलोइड P, etc. So there are different kinds of CRP proteins involved or which activates upon the viral infection or any kinds of microorganism infection in our blood. Now APP, see here, APP enhance host resistance and promote repair of inflammatory lesions. Now APP का क्या काम है कि होस्ट का रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ाना, enhance host resistance and promote repair those particular cells which are damaged due to the action of foreign particles or microorganism inside the body. To promote a repair of that inflammatory lesions is a major workout of APP, that is acute phase protein. So number 4 point, this is all about the innate immunity that we start from the last lecture. Now in the next lecture we will start with the acquired immunity, that is the next point.